What's going down, fellow gas-powered bike enthusiasts? I'm sure by now you don't need me to tell you that getting a bicycle, apparently in the United States of America, a new one, is a little difficult right now. The whole world is out of stock. Isn't that amazing? So on that note, what can I say? That pretty much sums it up. Engine kits are starting to flow a little bit. People still got the prices jacked on them, so treading lightly in that department. I have done a few things though I will share. Tomorrow I'll make a quick video for those of you who are looking at the G4 series of 60-80cc motor. We've tried a couple of those out and they seem to be working pretty well. So I'll show you the tidbit differences of those tomorrow. Other than that, I didn't want everybody to think I forgot about them. Been a while since I posted a video. I am personally just out for a lovely summer ride before that rain and lightning you see in the background rolls in. Other than that, I'm just going out for a nice little casual ride. No real destination planned. Wherever the road takes me, that's where I'm going. Alright, well stay tuned for the next video and I will show you the G4 series of motor. Just in case you're looking into it yourself, don't know anybody that has one, would like to see one up close and personal, I will share that tomorrow. Other than that, at the moment, I have nothing exciting and fun to share other than it seems the gas-powered bike industry has came to a slow turtle crawl. So for those of you who have sent me messages to my page, keep checking back. I check on this stuff daily like a person playing the stock market to see if the prices went back to a little more normal than what they were, bikes are available, etc., etc. Yeah, there are a few high-end bikes, but I haven't met anybody who wants to put a engine kit on a $2,000 Trek just yet, so probably gonna hold off and ride this out a little bit longer. It will come back around. Just hope it's kind of soon. All right, I've had enough of a break. I am at the Illinois State Police Memorial. That is what is behind me there, in case you're curious. Just thought I'd take a break and hang out here for a minute. All right, take care of yourself. Check out the next video. My people will be in touch. My office will be in touch with your office. You know, all that good stuff. All right, signing out.